Hello there, math fans. I'm going to give some fun visuals from everyday life. One that has to do with cutting up an apple, one that has to do with screwing in a screw, one that has to do with putting a lid back on your water bottle. I'm going to show those in just a second. Watch my previous video for how to compute these, but we talked about how the cross product, if you switch the order and it looks like it's counterclockwise, it's coming towards you. If it looks like it's clockwise, the way if you watch that video, that's this visual. But the right-hand rule applies to all sorts of things. You can find, Wikipedia can talk about, it explains it yet again. It talks about right and left-handed screws for those of you that are mechanically inclined. It talks about how you can figure out the current in a wire, how you can figure out the way in which like a motor is going to turn. It says that this Swiss franc, they put the right-hand rule on the money. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to my collection of visuals. Hope you find that interesting. All right, here we go.